Hello guys, and today I'm going to show the top 5 best budget mice for esports in 2020. So before we start this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Logitech G203. The Logitech G203 is the best entry level mouse to get if you want to do any sort of gaming at a pro level, and for $20 it offers bang for your buck value. The G203 is fully a plastic mouse with a rubber non-braided cable that is fine. For the grip on the mouse, you don't get any rubber grip, but you get a rough finish on the side which does the same thing but just doesn't feel as good. It also has a very curvy shape to it which some might like, and it also comes in black as well as white with RGB, and it looks pretty good. It is on the smaller side as far as size goes, but even if you have larger hands, you can comfortably use it. The sensor on this is pretty good with 8000 dpi and a 1000Hz report rate. For fast movements and such, it doesn't phase out, which is a good thing, and if you haven't used any other expensive mouse, this will feel near perfect. Weight on this is only 85 grams, which is quite light, so I really like that about this too. Number 4 on the list is the Corsair Harpoon Wireless. The Corsair Harpoon Wireless, for just $45, is probably the best wireless cheap mouse you can get, regardless of if you want to play games or not. It has a sleek and subtle look to it, with rubber sides for better grip, and the mouse is quite small, which will suit more people with smaller hands and people with claw or fingertip grips. It is also light for a wireless mouse at 99 grams, so it should be very nice if you play on lower sensitivity. It is built pretty well with a matte black coating and has a RGB Corsair logo that lights up and has different lighting patterns which you can customize through its software. The mouse comes with a 10,000 dpi sensor, which should be more than enough, and you are able to change the DPI using the software along with from the sensitivity button on the middle, and you can customize the side buttons to whatever you want as well. Talking about the buttons, they are pretty clicky and offer good tactile feedback, especially the side ones, and overall this is a solid sensor with no delay when using the USB adapter. So number 3 on the list is the SteelSeries Rival 3. The SteelSeries Rival 3 is a new mouse from SteelSeries, and it is one of the new mice that is getting the most attention due to its great features along with its very low price of $30. The SteelSeries Rival 3 has an ambidextrous design with the side buttons on the left side, so even though its shape is ambidextrous, it's still made for right-handed users. It has a matte black all plastic look with RGB like on the G203, and it too doesn't have rubber grips. Its main selling point, however, for the price is the weight of it, which is only 76 grams. The shape of the mouse should suit most hand sizes and grips, and the weight makes it great for competitive gaming. The sensor is also pretty solid like every mouse here and has 8500 dpi. Overall, if you don't have a lot to spend on a mouse, this is seriously a good offering that does almost everything well. Number 2 on the list is the Logitech G402. The Logitech G402 is, in my opinion, the best wide budget mouse you can get if you don't mind a little bit of weight. At $35, this mouse offers a great build, a perfect sensor, and extra buttons and features. The mouse is fully plastic with texturized rubber sides which give a very good grip. The mouse looks very unique as well and can fit almost any sized hands because of the shape. I personally get a very good grip on it with a hybrid type grip, and it should be great for all types of games. You get 2 side buttons along with 2 DPI buttons and a sniper button which lowers or increases your sensitivity to what you have set it when pressing it, and as always you can customize each of the keys here to do whatever action you'd like through the Logitech software. The mouse weighs in at 108 grams, which is a bit on the heavier side but is nothing too bad as well. The sensor on this supports up to 4000 dpi and a 1000Hz report rate, and in terms of a sensor, it is pretty much perfect. I think this is a mouse that will be perfect for any game and any use case, and I'd highly recommend this if weight isn't an issue to you. So number 1 on the list is the Glorious Model D. The Glorious Model D is, in my opinion, the best mouse you can get for esports gaming right now. For $50, this is one of the lightest mice with a great ergonomic design and a great sensor and cable. The Glorious Model D features a plastic body with holes in it to make the weight lesser than what it would be, and has 2 color options and 2 different finishes including black and white, and finishes of matte and glossy. I personally think that the matte versions are better off both as they get scratched up less and give away less fingerprints. The Model D is an upgrade from the Model O in terms of design the most, and now the design is pretty much perfect for many right-handed users. The braided cable is also excellent and makes the mouse feel wireless. It weighs in at 67 grams, which is extremely light, and with the lightweight cable it feels almost wireless to use. The Pixar 3360 sensor on this is also perfect with a max DPI of 12,000 and a 1000Hz polling rate. Overall, with everything I discussed, I think this is the perfect mouse to go for if you play first and third person shooters the most. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.